Hey guys, so I'm going to start off with the primer that I've been basically using all year, and it's the Benefit Professional Primer, and I just put that all over my face. And then I use the Lucas Purple Ointment, which is literally the best lip balm ever. It's Australian, but I think you can get it on Amazon. I really love it. Next is the It Cosmetics CC Plus Illumination Cream. This is my favorite thing ever. I actually haven't used foundation in months. It has such good coverage, but it feels really light on my face. So first I put that on with a foundation brush, and then I'll blend it in with a beauty blender. And if you can notice a slight difference in the color of my face to the color of my neck, that's because I self-tanned on top of the tan that I got from our honeymoon. So my skin's a little more tan than it usually is. Now for concealer, I've been using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which is definitely one of my favorites. I use a lighter shade than my CC cream just to brighten up my face a little bit. So I put that under my eyes in kind of a triangle shape, and then a little bit on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Forehead? What did I just say? Forehead. And then I blend it in using a beauty blender. So moving on to eyebrows, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. Is that what it's called? Dip Brow Pomade? But I usually use the Brow Wiz, which I actually like better. I don't know why I decided to use the other one today. So yeah, I don't do too much to my eyebrows because I already like the shape of them already. So pretty much I just brush through them, I outline them, and then I fill in the gaps. And that's pretty much all I do. I feel like I'm talking too fast, and then you kind of just have to like sit and watch. And then I'll brush through them at the end as well. So to set my face, I use the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I've used this for probably a year now, and I love it so much. So I start setting my under eye area with a smaller brush first, and then I set the rest of my face with a larger face brush. I'm really so bad with like brush names. I don't know what any brush is called, but that's okay. And now I'm going to bronze up my face a little bit, and for that I use the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. This is my favorite ever. I think this is a blush brush, but I love using it for my bronzer anyway. So I like to start small and then I build up, and I also move it up onto my forehead as well, just to keep it all looking even. And then I grab a fluffy eyeshadow brush and I take a little bit of bronzer and I just shape my nose a little bit. I definitely don't go too crazy on this, but I just found that putting a little bit on my brush works really well. And then I take this small brush again, I'm so bad with brush names, and a bit of setting spray, and then I use my favorite MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter and highlight. And then I put a little bit on my Cupid's bow, my nose, and my chin. This highlighter is so pretty. I feel like everyone uses it, but it's so pretty. Moving on to eyeshadow, this one smells so good. So I'm using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm putting the color Puree into my crease. And then I get a smaller brush with the same eyeshadow color, and I just put a little bit on my lower lash line and kind of just blending that all together. Then taking this really pretty one, it's called Luscious, and I just use my finger to dab a little bit onto my eyelid. It's really simple, but I just think it's really pretty. Now for eyeliner, these are the two that I use today. I'll be using the Maybelline one. It's called the Master Precise. And to do eyeliner, I just really lightly line the upper lash line first, and then I draw a line at the same angle where my eyebrow ends and where my eyelid ends, if that makes sense. And then I draw a triangle to match it all up, and then I fill in the gaps. That probably didn't make any sense. I feel like if you watch it, you'll understand, but the way I'm explaining it probably doesn't make sense. I then pretty much take any mascara and just put some on my bottom lashes. I already have eyelash extensions, so I don't do anything to my top lashes. Then I'm going to put on my go-to lipstick. It's MAC's Viva Glam 2. I love this one because it is so similar to my normal lip shade. So it's really natural just for like your everyday makeup. And then to finish off, I use setting spray. And that is it. I hope you guys liked my everyday go-to makeup tutorial. If you did, please let me know below. Like this video or leave me a comment below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!